Hatepu, peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace, Meditation, and Yoga. It's your sis, Mama Imani, and I am at the point as far as I am going to go. This is the green behind Larchmont Public Library. Years ago, before the ERT was through here, there was the Imani Trail. Years ago, me and a couple of die-hard students, including Elder Baba Sekou, peace and blessings upon him, we stopped here at the brick wall behind the library. We put out our yoga mats right here on the green because this asphalt was not here. I think we were underneath that tree, matter of fact. And we put out our mats and I conducted a yoga class. Good times. And soon after that, I got an email from the librarian letting me know that I needed to have a permit. Needless to say, I didn't come back. Didn't feel welcome. So it's about 8 o'clock. It has taken me about 50 minutes to get to this point. The trail continues across the bridge on Hampton Boulevard. I am not prepared to go that far into Lock Haven. So I'm gonna end it here. Woo! And as I was saying to myself, this is the first time I have ever seen a bench with a table. But, you know, things are different in more affluent neighborhoods. So, thank you for watching this video to its end. There's no way I'm going to get home in time to see my son off, so I'm going to send him a text or a phone call. Please give this video a like. Please leave a mindful and encouraging comment as I head on back. Make your Seshata Tahuti Tuesday safe, healthy, content, and remember, we are already blessed in abundance. We just have to recognize, appreciate, and act like it. Blessed be.